Hello everyone. Today I will discuss one of the important notice came from Raiganj University, Raiganj, Uttar Dinajpur, West Bengal. So, for admission to PhD program, you can see that admission notice for PhD program session 2020-21 application are invited online and from the eligible candidate for the admission to the PhD program, PhD coursework at the Raiganj University for session 2020-21, the following subject. You can see that available subjects are these subjects are available now: botany, chemistry, computer information science, economics, geography, mathematics, microbiology, physics, sericulture, zoology, management, and you can see that Bengali, commerce, English, history, philosophy, political science, Sanskrit, law, education, and sociology. Now, if they are not provided the exact vacancy details, so they will provide, if they will be notified, they have mentioned the vacancy detail will be notified by the respective department as per the roster maintained, right? Now, general instruction to the applicants for PhD program: the student are required to attain at least 75% of the lecture delivered to write the end semester examination and the PhD coursework. Now, here you have to first is you have to complete the PhD coursework and the eligibility criteria. Now, eligibility criteria for this program is that you must have a master degree and minimum 55% marks. If you belong to reserve category, that is SC, ST, and OBC, then you have a 5% relaxation in the marks. So from 55% to it will be 50%, right? And now, a person, if you are already done MPhil, dissertation has been evaluated, and the Viva is pending under any department or center of research program of the university, may be provisionally admitted to the PhD program to the university, but the admission will be confirmed if the candidate qualifies in the MPhil degree with the requisite percentage, marks, and grade, right? So if you get the requisite percentage in the MPhil exam, then you can you can take the admission process, right? You can complete the admission process, right? Now, candidate posing a degree considered equivalent to MPhil degree of other Indian institution from a foreign an educational institution accredited by an assessment and accreditation agency which is approved and recognized or authorized by any authority established or incorporated under a law in its home country or any other statutory authority in the country for the purpose of assessing and accrediting or assuring quality and standard of educational institutions shall be eligible for admission to PhD program. So here those are abroad candidate also can be apply for this program, PhD admission. They can also take the PhD admission, and the candidate will currently admitted as a student in any full-time course of studies or recognized or registered for doing PhD. Any other university can also can also apply. Candidate, right? Now, candidate having master degree in related discipline may apply. Now, procedure for admission. So you have to fill the online application form available in the website. I'll show you the exact schedule details of the fill of the online application form. Now, for if you are belong to general category or unreserved category, then they say you have to pay 1,000 rupees. If you are belongs to SC, ST, OBC or physically handicapped, you have to pay 700, and if you are foreign international student, it is 3,000 rupees for application process, right? Online application. Now, all the can now in and another important is that if you are qualified already NET, SET, GATE, or any national and state level exam, or MPhil you have already qualified, then you are exempted from the from entrance test. So you can directly enters into the interview and just fill the form and enters into the interview, right? an important instruction for if you are a JRF qualified, then you have to read that. And then the important instruction for PhD aspirants. Now you can read, and these are course fee, for PhD admission. Now course fee for a national student, excluding the geography and science subject, right? The coursework fees with coursework is 22,000, you have to pay 22,350, and without coursework is 12,350, right? Other fees are, so for submission, these are during submission of your thesis and registration, PhD registration, and all other together, right? And with, if for Indian student, geography and science subject, tuition fees is, geography and science subject is with coursework is 10,000, total is 25,100. And in case of if you have no without coursework, then 12,350, right? And other fees you have to pay accordingly. Now course fee for international student. Now those are international student, if they apply, then they have to pay this much amount of fees. Total is 38,350, and with coursework 43,350, right, in Indian rupees. And for submission of the of thesis submission, they have to pay that's this much amount of money in for submission. Now another question is that, what's about the fellowship? That fellowship is, if you are selected for, if you have own fellowship, then you can get from fellowship from UGC or CSIR or DBT, or any other government agencies, right? If you have Inspire also, you can get fellowship. But if you do not have that fellowship, you will can apply for Swami Vivekananda Merit Cum Scholarship. It is near about 10 to 12,000, right? And that much amount of monthly you will get for pursuing your PhD program. And if you have NET LS or GATE exam, then also if your guide have some project, you will get fellowship from there, right? And another important is that, now see the schedule of the event, the schedule of the admission procedure for PhD program 20 2021. Now these are schedules. Now schedule of the admission procedure. Now commence of the admission process online 7th December 2020, and last date of submission of application form online 15th December 2020. Publication of provisional list, and this will be 16th December 2020. Now we can date of these are the schedules given, you can see that. And now another is that the publication of, if you are if you do not qualify or qualify the, or you don't have the any national or state level exam qualified, if you are not qualified, then you can apply for research intern test. And then you can join also this program, right? Date of counseling and admission, and 2nd January 2021, and first counseling and admission 5th January 2021, right? And date of for online counseling and admission, for this the second counseling and admission, date of document verification, so they will notify as directed by WBHED, right? Now so these are the notice for PhD program for pursuing PhD for 2021, right? Now if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel, get more like this video. Will upload many others PhD notification, like in case of Bardhaman University and Kolkata University, they are still pending their application procedure, so notification is still there, still notification is not released, right? Now Now another important part is, if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel, right? So thank you.